New Zealand is containing its outbreak at 1,500 cases, 0.03%, using track, trace, and most important, isolate. Many other countries have done the same. We don't have to wait until we can test everyone. We can isolate clinically diagnosed cases. We don't have to wait for an app. We can use manual tracing, especially easy during a lockdown. Our isolation periods are far shorter, and our home isolation is much less rigorous than the WHO recommend. If we ramp down swiftly, we can save many deaths and exit lockdown faster. Does our government have any plans to use rigorous test, trace and isolate right away, as New Zealand did?